What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen if you're new here. Today is part 2 of my Marie Kondo My Life. The first one I did my dresser, and now I'm going to do my closet. So in case you don't know what Marie Kondo is, she has a show on Netflix called Tidying Up. And basically it's like a kind of like a minimalist show, and she teaches people how to tidy up their homes and give thanks and keep items that spark joy to them and all that jazz. They're kind of already organized in a way. I'm just gonna go through each of the bins and figure out what I want and what I don't want. So let's get at it. Hey, how are you? Okay, I'm gonna start with this stuff. I'm just gonna sit in front of you guys and show you kind of what I'm looking through. So, I have my AC off right now because I'm trying to like have the sound be good for you guys. And I'm sweating because I've been moving and cleaning for 2 hours now, hour and a half. Okay, so let's start with this basket. All right, so it looks like this is trash. I believe this is my, when I first moved in, let me just start with this. When I first moved in, I wanted to really organize my linen closet because I used to live in a very tiny apartment before this one. Now I live in kind of like a townhome, which is really nice. And I've never really had a linen closet before, so I want to make sure that it was organized and clean and like I knew where everything was. So it's kind of funny that I'm doing this now with the Marie Kondo stuff because like half the stuff I don't use, and I realized that, and that's why I want to do this video and this whole process. So let's see what I find. I think this was originally supposed to be like skincare products, or maybe that one is. I don't quite remember. So I'm gonna try to like organize them and like categorize them so then like I know what I'm finding wherever I'm at. Henry found this. Watch. Ready? He's gonna play with that now. Good. He's satisfied. Okay. This is eye makeup remover wipes, but these burned my eyes one time, so I'm gonna throw those away. This is probably actually way easier than I thought. All right, this is a really nice eye palette, so I'm gonna keep that. I'll just put it somewhere else. This is a body cream. I haven't used this yet, so I'm gonna keep this. A lot of the stuff I get from FabFitFun in a box, so. We got a cream mask. I'll keep that. I want to try that. I tried this, oh shoot, the shampoo conditioner, and both of them are like almost empty, so I'm gonna throw them away because they didn't really do well with my hair. So I'm gonna throw those away. Y'all, I'm just saying, I love this brush. I got this from my last FabFitFun brush, or Fun. Am I saying that right? Fun, Fit, Fab? Yeah. Yeah, Fun, Fit, Fab, Fun, yeah. I don't know. Anyways, I got this from my last box with them. And I'm just saying it's awesome. If you have like any kind of like, what's it called? Like, not spider veins, but like, whatever it is in your legs that like, I just had in my head. It's on the tip of my tongue. Cellulite. If you have cellulite in your legs, this really helps with it. You like brush it on your legs, and it like helps like circulate your blood flow and stuff in your legs. And I put it on before I shower. Or I don't put it on, I brush my legs before I shower. Anyways, it's called air brushing. Not air brushing. It's called dry brushing if you want to look it up. I'm sure you can search it on YouTube, but after this video, don't do it now. Ooh, enzyme peel. I actually did this last night. I really, really liked it. I'll show you guys because I liked it. It helped a lot. That's what it looks like. It's really, I don't even know, Elimis, but I forgot I had it. And actually, it's a cream exfoliator. I am actually not supposed to use it because, fun fact, I have rosacea. And I actually had an allergic reaction last night to some of my products that I use. And I can do a whole video on that because I actually, this is funny, I filmed a skincare routine and yeah, my skin basically like didn't fall off. That's dramatic. It started burning. I actually don't think it was really that much of like allergic reaction, but it was burning. So I didn't upload that video because I realized the things I was putting on my skin was actually not good for my skin. So I'm testing that out and I'm gonna do a better skincare routine once I get that figured out. Okay, I'm actually gonna look through this stuff real quick and I'll tell you guys what I keep. Okay, so this is like a lot. So I had this and it was filled with just random stuff, which I'm superstitious, so I'm not gonna throw that away. It's a dream catcher. I know, it's dumb. Okay, but I have masks in here. Sorry, I say that weird, I have a lisp. I have masks in here and I had makeup palettes in here, but I put them somewhere else, so I put my contacts in here instead. And I don't think I'm gonna worry about putting anything else in there. I'm gonna put this somewhere else. I'm probably actually gonna put that on top so that I remember that my contacts are in here, because that's how I think. I have this little like aromatherapy kit that I have. It's just like if I want to do my nails, has some aromatherapy stuff right here and here, and candle and this like lavender foot cream. So I'm just gonna have this as like a little like extra bougie spa night. If I ever have one of those, this is my little kit for that. You good? All right, I'm gonna go through that box now. Alright guys, I'm sorry I keep talking about FabFitFun, but I'm saying a lot of this stuff's from FabFitFun. I think that's why I don't use all of it, because like I don't really know, like I didn't even know I had it. I just like, I'm like, oh, this is from my box, and I just put it somewhere. Well, I got this in my box, like probably my first one ever, and I was at Ulta this past weekend. These were like $150. And I don't even know how to use it. I think like you like rub it on like that's like a cleanser. I don't know, but it's apparently like so, like it tells you things about your skin, like connected to your phone. It's crazy. I don't even know. But yeah, I have it and I'm gonna keep it because I mean I don't know how to use it. I'm gonna keep it. But yeah, I just found it. But yeah, I found it, like I saw it this weekend and I was like, hey, I have that. And it was like $150. So if you don't have FabFitFun, definitely get a box. It's really worth it, in my opinion. Okay, I'm gonna start cleaning again. This is my finished product. This is like just a bunch of like creams and stuff for your body. And honestly, I don't use some of it, but like I want to try some. Like this is like an anti-cellulite muscle gel, which I think I've tried this a couple times and I didn't really see an effect on me, but like also I didn't use it that much, so I kind of want to test it out more. And then firming butter, sunscreen. This is a deep conditioner, cream scrub, peel mask, and then obviously my favorite. All right, continuing. All right, this is embarrassing. Not the fact that I have an angel cat, but So I have this was filled with vitamins that I use. These are all expired. So that's embarrassing. These aren't expired though. Hey, you got a 10. So I have these towels. These are the obviously big ones. And then the hand towels. I think I'm gonna put either hand towels in this if they fit, or I might just put my washcloths in this, and then I have 2. So I don't know if I'm gonna do this one, or I guess I can just put them in there like that, and like I'll just, if I ever need any, then I'll probably just do that. I might just stack them. I don't know, I'm just talking to myself. This is basically done because yeah, that's my cleaning stuff. This is my first aid kit, and just to make room or make it look a little more roomy, I'm gonna do that. So just this shelf that's done, or that needs to be done, and then I'll explain to y'all how I organized it. I'm done! Yay! So it looks so good. I actually even emptied one of the shelves. I was gonna say drawers. I emptied one of the shelves, so it actually is a lot cleaner. I'm gonna show you guys a tour. And also, sorry, it's dark. There's no light in this closet. That's probably my biggest complaint. I have this little light. That's about it. So I'll shine that on my products. Right down here, I have my clean sheets for my bed. Honestly, probably need to go through those, and because it's kind of like overflowing, but honestly, don't have the time for that. Then I have my contacts, the face masks, all that stuff. I showed you guys this stuff. Then I have behind my best friends right there is some shampoo and conditioner, and then we have some body stuff, we have makeup, my jewelry, my hair stuff. This is stuff I use every day. I didn't clean it because I'm literally about to use it because I'm about to get ready for bed. My face stuff, I need to get some more cotton balls. I have some cotton swabs, dry shampoo, that's it. My towels, my big towels, my hand towels. And guys, look at how cute this is, my washcloths. Isn't that so cute? And then this is my overnight bag, like my toiletry bag. It doesn't really have anything in it, so it's just gonna chill there. And then behind my toilet paper, I have cleaning supplies, the biotin, and my first aid kit. And that's it. So cute. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so I know that you guys like these kind of videos. I love organizing, so I wouldn't mind doing another one of my whole house. And I was actually thinking about showing you guys how I clean my house. So that might be my next like cleaning, organizing video, I don't know. But yeah, but I'm going to turn on my AC now because as you can tell, I am sweating right now. It is so hot, but I did it for you guys. So yeah, I hope you'll have a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.